Hello everyone. Today we shall find how to find the refractive index of a glass slab. You see, this is our glass slab and we want to know the refractive index of this glass slab. For this, what you have to do, put this glass slab here and if you draw incident line, reflected line and line of emergence, let us draw these lines. Before that, let us put some pins on this green, red and yellow. Here you see we have taken 3 pins, yellow, red, green, and if we put this pin, let us put this pin to represent the incident ray, right? Let us here take one pin, that is at the first the red pin, after that the yellow pin, after that the green pin. That means this line represents the incident ray, right? After that, let us see through this glass slab so that we can find this all the 3 pins in a straight line through this side. If we focus our camera, if we try to focus our camera here, let us find what we are getting. And let us focus our camera such that we may get the reflected ray. If you see very clearly, we are seeing we are trying to focus through this side and you see the 3 pins are seen from this side, and we put another 3 pins, that is red, yellow and green pin. Let us put the red pin first. This is our red pin. This is our green pin, yellow pin. This is our green pin. And if you see through this slab, you'll see if you see through this glass slab, you'll see that all the pins are in a straight line. That means this pin represents the reflected light and reflected ray, and this one represent the incident ray, right? Let us see if we can see the all the pins whether they are in straight line or not. Let us focus it. If you see through this refractive surface, you will see that all the 6 pins are in a straight line, right? You see, all the 6 pins are in a straight line, right? Now, if you remove this pin, here see, this is our glass slab. This is 3 pins. One is red, yellow, and green. This is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray, right? Now if you remove this slab and let us study what we get. Now let us study what we got. Now you see that this is our normal and this is angle I1, this is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray, and this is the ray of emergence. Now this is angle I and this is angle R1, and R1 is also equal to this angle R1 because this normal and this normal parallel, therefore alternate angle will be equal, that is this angle will be R1 and this angle will be also R1. Now let us measure this I1. What is the angle of I1? What is the angle of R1? And what is the angle of R1 and I2? Right? Let us measure. Now if we remove the pins, let us remove all the pins. Right? Now with the help of protractor, we can measure the angle of incidence and angle of reflection, right? Let us see what is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal, right? Let us measure the angle of incidence here. Here you see